Here's how you can take your dropshipping videos from looking like this to this. Now, being straight to the point, this will be a full breakdown of how to make your videos look crisp. If you just implement everything I'm going to say, the chances of you going viral with every single video is going to 10x. My name is Michael Bernstein, and we have generated over 100 billion views with organic dropshipping content. We truly know how to go viral, and that's why you should listen very carefully to the strategies I'm about to show you. Chapter 1. Lighting. This video is not only going to be about lighting, but that's the first step, okay? If your video looks like this, the very first step before thinking about anything else is going to be changing up your lighting. And the issue you guys have, if I tell you add lighting, what you think is, all right, let me just add a lamp. It's going to be more lit, so I added lighting. That's not how it works. Let me show you a classic setup I see you guys doing. It is, you have your iPhone camera. On the right and left side, you have two lamps, and then you have the product in front of you. That is trash. All right, horrible lighting setup. Trash lighting setup number 2 is you have your camera here, the lighting is left, the lighting is right, and that's it. That's also horrible. I'm going to show you exactly how your videos are going to look if you do that. They will look exactly like this. So what do you need to do? Well, you have your phone, and on the right side, at a 45-degree angle, you have your main light, which is a little brighter than your secondary light, which you have at a 45-degree angle on the left side. And then you have the product in front of you, the camera here, and it's very important to have a background light behind everything. If you do exactly that, this is how everything is going to look. This looks cinematic, beautiful, just very crisp, and this is exactly how your videos should look. And that's it. Just to do this, instantly, forever, your videos are gonna look better. You are welcome. Your videos will not go viral by just adding lighting. They will increase your chances, and if you do everything else right, they will go viral. However, this is a fundamental. You have to have this right to go viral. You're not gonna go viral because you have it right. I wanna show you an example of one of my elite level students, Sasha. He is our #1 guy in our program when it comes to aesthetics. His videos just look beautiful. If we take a look at one of his videos here, did this video here go viral because of the light? No. Would it go viral with bad light? No. But it did because of everything else, and the lighting was the fundamental. Chapter 2. Sound. Your music choice goes way beyond just adding a trending sound and that's it. I want to use another example from my guy Sasha, who posted this video that made him $30,000. And the sound here is the #1 reason why this went viral. Let's take a look.
3, 2, 1, bang.
If you just look at this, this might seem like one of these viral sounds and that's it. But this is not what happened at all. Sasha took 2 different sounds, combined them, and that's the thing which came out of it. Let me show you the sound design he actually did for this video. He first saw this Peaky Blinder video.
3, 2, 1, bang.
He took that and combined it with this song right here. When I saw this video from him, I asked him to make a Loom recording of him actually building that thing in CapCut, because it's not as easy as you think, and it's pretty complicated to line it up perfectly with everything, the video, 2 songs, and just match it like he did. So let's take a look and you're gonna understand what I'm talking about. So if you just take a look at the countdown, the 3, 2, 1, bang.
3, 2, 1.
The space in between the 3, 2, 1 is too long. Now what he's doing here is he just takes these sounds and puts them approximately in the position where he thinks it's going to make sense, and later he's going to do the rest. So what he did here is after the 3, 2, 1 bang, the beat drop happens. However, during the 3, 2, 1 bang, during those few seconds, you can also hear the beat drop about to happen in the song. So that adds anticipation into the video and just makes people wait longer to see what's going to happen at the beat drop. After all the fine tuning, what he also does here is he keeps the video aligned with the sound throughout the whole video. Most amateurs just have the hook aligned with the beat drop and that's it. But what he did for the entire video is that every visual is aligned perfectly with the sound. And that's just something which makes the video stand out so much more. And that's exactly what gives it that professional feel that you can't seem to achieve. But in reality, it's very specific things. It's not some woo-woo thing where you don't understand why this seems crisp and why this is not, this is it. This is exactly the reason for it. And I hope you understand all these things because you need to implement this in your business as well. If you're being completely honest to yourself, there is a drastic difference in between your videos and this, because you're not doing these things, you're not going the extra mile, you're not putting in that extra effort. And that's something you always need to do. So after you understand what he did to get to that point, let me just play the video one more time so you truly get it.
3, 2, 1, bang.
Let me show you another client of mine, Bon, who uses this modified sound strategy in his videos also.
Is it strong enough to pop a balloon? I'm not sure. Let's find out! But first, let me tell you what this is. Our TurboJet X is the world's most powerful handheld blower, and you won't believe how strong it is. From cleaning up leaves to drying off your pool, this little buddy can do it all. Now for the moment of truth.
This is something he and all the top students of ours consistently do, and that's what makes them so much money. Bon made over $1.8 million, and these things are just the fundamentals of organic dropshipping. So the way virality generally works is you have to add on small details on top of each other, and that's what makes things go viral. All right, you have a basic video, then you add clean lights, perfect sound design, a little controversy. In the hook, you have a visual hook, a text hook, a sound hook. You also ask a specific question, which raises a bunch of questions in the viewers' minds. They want to listen to the answer, they keep watching. All these small details just add up and then they make you go viral. However, there are so many ridiculously annoying details which I promise you don't know about. Like, I can give you an example here. Did you know that uploading a video from your camera roll onto TikTok can literally just shadow ban you and leave you with 0 views? That's just such a random reason for not going viral, but that's something which can actually happen, and you just have to do it a different way, where you basically record one small clip on TikTok, add your video, and then delete the thing. It's just annoying. And that's why our mentorship program has so much more success than everyone else in the entire organic space. We have dedicated full-time people to figuring this out. People like Sasha, for example, is part of our team. You can have calls with him, you can ask him every question you want. We just have true experts which you can ask every question, and we're just going to tell you why you're not going viral, what to change, how to make things better. We can do the things live with you. You can literally have a one-on-one call with us, share your screen, open up CapCut, and we do it together with you until you actually learn this. On top of this, we will pick products for you. You just present us 30 products, we look over that sheet, and we tell you this product is good, this is bad. We pick the best one. That's an insane competitive advantage. That's why people in our program have so much success. At this point, it's literally undeniable that if you just follow our strategy, you will make money. If you are interested in that one-on-one program, you can click the link below, sign up for a free call, and we're just gonna find out if everything is a good fit. If we both think it is, you're gonna be able to join the one-on-one mentorship program, and we're gonna help you to scale to 10, 20, 30K profit per month consistently. Click the link below, and I will see you very, very soon.